Hello, welcome to Handyguys, and we've been talking about the Lutron Caseta system, which is a wireless system that handles, their switches that you've put in.
Smart switches,
yeah,
right.
Smart switches, and they control all your lighting. And we've already done a video where we show you the Google integration with
right.
this system. But now,
Alexa.
we have, so if you have an Echo or an Echo Dot, or whatever the other Echoes are called these days, or
Alexa built into a phone or a tablet.
Right, so you can have Alexa built into a phone. We're going to show it with the Ecobee and other devices, but in this case it's a tablet.
So what you have to do, Paul, on your tablet, you need to add the Lutron Caseta skill to Alexa. So that's a common thing within the Alexa universe, is adding a skill to teach it how to do something.
Right.
So we have to add that skill in, and then we have to discover our devices within Alexa. And once we do that, we can do things like, Alexa, turn on watch movie lights.
Okay.
So this is your scene for watching a movie.
That's my scene for watching the movie. So it was very particular about the command I used. I had to say, turn on or turn off the name of the scene, and then the word lights. So it seemed to be particular about that.
Okay, so let's turn all the lights on.
Alexa, turn on the basement lights.
Okay.
And can you turn them off?
Yep. Alexa, turn off the basement lights.
Okay.
Here we go.
So why don't you turn them back on?
Alexa, turn on the basement lights.
So at this point, the scenes, how would you compare this, how the work to the Google? It seemed like when I used Google that it was less finicky. You didn't have to be as particular.
I have a group in Google that lets me turn off the Caseta lights along with another light. And I haven't figured out how to do that with the Alexa yet, because I have one more light in the back. It should be possible.
Okay, but the point is you just have to add the skill to the Alexa app for Caseta. You have to put in your account credentials for your hub.
That's
Caseta
right.
hub.
That's right. So you're going to need your username and your password for the Lutron Caseta stuff.
All right, and then it begins to integrate. So both Google and Alexa both integrate. You can use voice commands. It's basically working. So there you have it.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.